everybody. Today is a really special day. We are celebrating 70 years that Wells Lamont has been a member of the Mississippi Manufacturers Association. You know, Wells Lamont has been here all my life. It was a big deal when I was a kid, and it still is. We're so thankful you're in the community. Today I'm presenting this to Justin, and just want to say thank you on behalf of the Mississippi Manufacturers Association for being a member, and hopefully you will find a very special place for that in the building.
Yes, ma'am. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
My name is Justin Clearman. I'm the plant manager for Lamont Industrial here in Philadelphia. We make world-class, cut-resistant personal protection equipment in the form of gloves and sleeves. We also make our own yarns that we use in our unique makeup of our gloves and sleeves. That makes us one of the only factories in the United States that does that. We employ anywhere between 75 to 100 here now. 90% of the people live right here in Philadelphia, Mississippi. We try to offer a very good future for people here because, like we tell some of our, school leadership around here, not every kid's going to go to college, so we want to be able to keep them at home, train them, bring them up here, and be part of the family.
I'm C. Scott Bounds, Mississippi House of Representatives, District 44, Neshoba, and Lee counties. They've been a testament to our industrial base for all these many years. Thousands of people have been employed here through the years. A lot of them are still here 40 plus years. But what they've meant to this community, just in what they've given back, not only as being an employer, being a good community partner. In the manufacturing world and in the manufacturing industry is what communities look for. They look for those partners that are solid to their communities, that are good to their employees, but continue to put out a quality product.
Just knowing that we can be a member for 70 years, I mean, we've had 70 years of stability. You've had your challenges in the economy going up and down. We've been able to stay relevant. Where a lot of jobs are being farmed out overseas to do this, we've been able to keep it right here in the USA and keep it here in Philadelphia for all those years. So 70 years, and we look forward to 70 more.